Hello all wood killers. Today I will show you how I sharpen a chisel using my water stones and a Tormek machine. I will begin by making the stone flat using this truing tool. When the tip is touching the stone, I use this micro adjustment to lower it one step. It should take somewhere between 30 to 90 seconds to go through the surface. I will lower just a tiny bit more and then go back the other way. Now when the stone is nice and flat, I will use this square edge jig. Before tightening the screws, make sure the chisel is pushed against this straight edge inside here. Usually I just eyeball the angle. I'm making sure that I have ground all the way to the edge of the chisel. Before I show you the process of the water stones, I'm quickly gonna grind another chisel and show you how to go directly from grinding on the stone to the honing wheel. When removing the burrs from the back side of the chisel, you want to be very careful. You don't want this flat surface to be convex. Now this chisel is finished. I will show you the full video of cutting this walnut end grain in the end of this video. Now let's finish the other chisel with the water stones. I begin with 1000 grit, 2000, 5000 and 8000. Before I got these stones, I had these for years. It's I think it's maybe 2000 and 5000. I don't touch this side until I come up to 5000 grit. So just the bevel side for the first two stones. Some stones you need to soak every time before you use them. But with these ones I just spray some water. That's supposed to be enough. The easiest way I think is just to put down the bevel and drag towards me. You can go back and forth, but it's easier that you get stuck and destroy your edge. Try to use the whole stone. To flatten the stone, I use a diamond stone, I think it's called. I wish I had a bigger one. This one is pretty small, but it works. Now I will take this side and remove all the burrs from the grinding as well. Always be careful when you're putting down the chisel. I'm trying to have most pressure, like here somewhere. Now that I have done this side on the 5000, I flip it and do this side as well. I try to go down like this and then tilt it up until I feel it's flat. I start with the bevel side, then I switch to the back side, and I repeat that process a few times back and forth. I use my fingers and stuff to support myself so I don't get unstable or wiggly in any way. I also stand quite wide-legged. Same goes for the 8000. I begin with this side and then go on to this side.